Good morning friends. Today we are discuss about horticulture. Let's start. Which vegetable is directly sown through seed commercially? Fenugreek. Panama disease of banana is fungal disease. Di- Gladiolus is propagated through budding. Red rust is a disease of lychee. Cymbidium is a kind of orchid which is a copper fungicide blightax. Mango and banana are climacteric fruit. Cactus is generally suited sunny sites. Pedigree selection is a principle of plant breeding. Which vegetable crop is known as vegetable of 20th century? Winged bean. Largest cardamom is commercially propagated through suckers. Which which medicinal plant is called Indian gooseberry? Amla. Richest source of vitamin C is amla. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is located at Varanasi. Most of the banana species are triploid. Root wilt is a serious disease of coconut. National Medicinal Plant Board is located at New Delhi. Coconut Development Board is located in Kota. Which is the best green manure crop? Dhancha. Winter banana is a variety of which fruits? Apple. Which fruits is most suitable for the high pH soil? Amla. Which is summer annual flowers? Zinnia. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by mycoplasma या PPLO. Which fruits has maximum protein content? Cashew 21%. The good flowering life of rose is 4 to 7 years. Propagation method of Diffenbachia is cane cutting. Fruit of mango is drupe. Fruit of rose is hips. Seedless grape hybrid developed at IIHR is Arkavati. Serious disease of stone fruit is brown rot. Marigold is propagated through seeds. Normal commercial life of rose is 7 years. Seed rate per acre for marigold is 400 kg. Common disease of pot plant is botrytis. Percentage of sugar recommended for jam making above 60% or 68. Early blight of tomato is caused by fungus. Tapioca belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. Which gas is released from the rice field? Sulfur dioxide or methane H2S? Which potato variety resistant to late blight? Kufri Badshah. Which country is largest importer of flour in the world? Germany. Which country is the largest producer of cut flour in the world? Netherlands. Carrot is a good source of vitamin A 3150 IU. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by mycoplasma. Tomato sauce is preserved benzoic acid. Tomato sauce must have TSS 30%. What is the permissible limit of SO2 in resin grapes? 750 ppm. For jelly making, fruit type of selected farm type. Calcareous soils are deficient in ferrous. Which salt is determined to flower crops? Florides. Who is the largest importer of indoor plants? Germany. Which is the most commonly rooting hormone? IBA. Which fruits most suitable for the canning? Pineapple. Which enzyme is responsible for fruit softening? Pectinase. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.